How to fix Google Merchant Center misrepresentation. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, whenever you will open up your Google Merchant Center, and over here whenever you find any suspensions, make sure that you are following the guidelines of shopping ads. It is quite necessary, and if you are following all these policies diligently and your business is legitimate and your product is also legitimate, then just reapply for the review, and after that your suspension should go away. But it should be necessary to follow all these guidelines, and just check out whatever guideline that you are violating. Just make sure that you are not violating it anymore, and update your listings before making any review, so you get to remove that particular suspension. And this is the only way to make sure that your misrepresentation is removed by the Google, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.